there's no time for regrets. I've been flying from town to town, from
Hi guys, good morning. So it's 8:30 and I am all dressed to go to the market. I want to go and buy groceries so that I can come and cook something special, something that I have never cooked before in this channel. Let me just show you guys. Voila. So guys, I'm going to cook these beans. Ignore my nails, okay? I'm going to repaint it. So this is what I'm going to prepare today. I never cooked this before, or neither have I ever cooked this in the channel. I don't want to be at the kitchen for the rest of the day because beans take time to cook. So that is why I'm going to let someone else help me to boil it. Then when I am back from the market, at least it will be almost done. So that is it. Let us go to the market.
You had your heart set on me, but these feels they come and go, and they come so easily. Tell me why.
So guys, here are the ingredients. In this bowl I have tin tomato paste and garlic. Over here I have black pepper, curry powder, white pepper, bay leaf and Maggi. So that is what I have here. And over here I have pepper and onions. Here I have cow skin and chicken. Over here I have fish, and here I have the broth of the cow skin and the chicken. This is the broth. I will be needing it later on. Over here I have the eggplant. I've already processed it, also known as G blocks. This is the beans, and I have already peeled it. Please guys, these beans, it needs to be washed thoroughly. After I have boiled the beans, I decided to soak it, and then I soak it for some time. Then later on change the water, put it again in another water until it became more cookable, because it's very bitter, if I may say. It is very bitter, but after I've soaked it over and over, now it is not bitter again. So last but not the least, I have palm oil. So yeah, these are the ingredients. So let's start cooking.